Hello, great Biafrans.
I know.
This is Biafran Shadunwa Chineke. Can you see this?
I know.
Join us. We are in the front of British Embassy, agitating and protesting against the adoption of the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. We are in the front of British Embassy, protesting against the adoption and the kidnap of the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Nana Biafra. Nana Biafra. You see Murphy here? You see Murphy here? Sabo. Nana Biafra. Nana Biafra. Nana Biafra. Nani Sabo Kainaya. Nani Sabo. God will punish all the Sabo in the Biafra land. Share the video in solidarity of the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, in the front of British Embassy. Nani Sabo. Nana Biafra. Nana Biafra. Nana Biafra. Nani Sabo. Nani Sabo. In solidarity of the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you see we are here in March in the front of British Embassy, telling them they must release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. There's no two ways about it. I am here live. The Biafran Shadunwa Chineke, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu must be released. This is the police. They are not disturbing us. See crowd, my people. See crowd, my people. Only Ipob can do it. The leaders. See, the moments are coming. Moments are coming. Oh, hey, the moments are coming. Moments are coming. Share the video. Share the video. Moments are coming. Moments are coming. They must share the video. Hey, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Yeah, one family. Whoa. This is the indigenous people of Biafra. We are here live in front of British Embassy, protesting against the adoption of the leader of indigenous people of Biafra.
Biafran turn.
Yeah.
Biafran turn.
Yeah. Yes. Can you see, man, in solidarity of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the adoption? Share this video. Share this video. The Biafran Shadunwa Chineke Mazi. We are here live. See, man. Holy. Yes, we are here live. See, are you seeing crowd? 10,000 march. 10,000 men march. 10,000 men march. Biafra! 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 One family! never see nothing. Now so we are here live, 10,000 men live. I'm represent here. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu must be released. The adoption against humanity. They must release him. We are in front of British Embassy protesting against the adoption and kidnapping of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. See mess, man. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has mess, man. Believe me. Let me go at the back side. You see men, man. You see calibers of men, my brother. My brother, how are you?
I see people today.
My brother, we are here live. We are here live. See men. Biafra must be free. The Biafran child in Washington is here live in Berlin. We are in the front of British Embassy protecting against the adoption of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You see, man. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we are here for you. One family, Ipob. We are here live in the front of British Embassy in solidarity with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu against the adoption. I salute you. We are here live. See men's are here. You think we say we the joke? They think say we the joke. See men plentiful. We they tell them say they go release them. They must release them whether they like them or not.
By force.
By fire.
Fire. We are not begging them.
Beg who?
We are not begging them.
We are here telling them.
They want. We give them. We are able to pass.
One family we all.
Lagos for so many years. Hey.
I am here represent. I am here. You see, they call my name. The Biafran child in Machineke.
The Biafran child is here.
I'm here live.
Yes, let them know.
I'm here live.
Unstoppable.
I'm here live in front of British Embassy. We are protesting against the adoption of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They must release him. We want him. He's our leader.
From the police, everybody put on your mask and you give 1.5 meter chance.
We are too much.
We will move immediately to the other side.
We are
going there now.
Biafra. Move. Okay.
I need at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people.
Great people of Biafra are here. We are here like one family. We are always one family. Under the leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we are doing the needful. We are here live against the adoption and kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu through the Kenya's government. Yes. Everybody should. We are many. We are many. Murphy's here too. You know Murphy now. Igodomi Igodo's son. The son of Igodomi Igodo. We are here. Biafran referendum. Yeah.
Leave us alone. Leave us alone. British, leave us alone. We are tired. Leave us alone. We cannot be killing at any time. We cannot be killing within our life away. Life is very important. Woman, real life is very important.
Share the video, please. Share the video, please. As you are joining us, try to share the video, please. We are here live in Berlin. As we said, as we promised our people that we're going to be here live on 9th, 7/2021. And that is exactly what we are doing right now in the front of British Embassy, protecting against the adoption of the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We are asking them for nothing, just for them to release him. We need him, he's our leader, and we can't let go. They just adopted him without doing anything. They think, say, as they come kidnap and say we go run for them now. We not go run anywhere, we are not going anywhere. Biafra must come, see calibers of men. Look at how we are, 10,000 soldiers. You know, we don't lie about it. We don't lie about it. You can see it for yourself that we don't lie. Okay.
Biafran child and watching her.
I'm represent.
One boy I did again on my dad.
Oh, yeah, the Congo. I am here live. The Biafran child and watching her. I am here.
Biafran child is here.
Thank you, my brother.
Yes.
Peace. Oh, hey, Biafra. Wow. Amazing. This is amazing. This is amazing. You know what it is? You know what it is? You know what it is? We are here live. We are the indigenous people of Biafra. We can never run away from them. We cannot. And that is the last thing that we can do to run away from our enemies. We will keep on setting an agenda for them, and then we keep on falling into the agenda that we are setting for them. That is why we are Ipob. That is why we are unstoppable. That is why we are standing resolute and formidable anytime, any moment. They must release our leader. Biafra! Biafra!
Please let me pass this information. Pay attention to this information.
And remember that we are in front of British Embassy. One family. Moments are coming. This is moments. Moments are arrival. Moments are coming. Moments are coming. 10,000 more. One family. One family. Now. Nnamdi Kanu. Now. Now.
Leave us alone.
Hey, Limba. Hey. See people, man.
Let us continue going inside.
See crowd.
Move back.
See crowd, man. See crowd.
Move back.
See
I want to tell you a story.
See crowd. See crowd. No. See crowd. We are here live. We can never run away from our enemy. We cannot. See crowd. This is Germany. We are in Berlin. We are in Berlin. Oh, hey, Biafra. 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 This is Martinez. Oh, hey, Biafra. This is Martinez. Oh, hey, Biafra. I am here, right? This is what you look at. Fall back. They are falling back. Siemens, they are falling back. Just watch. I am bringing you live in Berlin. We are 10,000 march in Berlin in solidarity of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. See my brothers. My brothers are here. Everybody, oh, look at it. Do you believe that we did this here? I see my brother again. I'm here, man. Right. Sure. You can't believe this.
Distance or the
Can you see? Can you just see? Can you just see? I'm not lying to you. This is what you have to see for yourself. Invite your friends and share the program so that they will see what we are doing, that we are not lying. We are here live in Berlin. Siemens, man. Siemens. We are in front of British Embassy, asking them to tell the dead one, the Bugatti, the one that are already, I don't know how many masquerade they have there. Yes, you see, man. I know, say this one, they hot when I wear, I'm not gonna go hit on a head for stone, you know. Whenever they sing this kind of music, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is another savior. You people begin the para, gonna go die. Oh, hey, Biafra. This is how we do it. The Biafran child in watching the case here live. Look at men against the adoption of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Just be seeing men how they stand. Holy, Mazi Kanu. Make una go die, yo. Make una go die. We are here live. Share the video and invite friends to come and see what we are doing. Let me go and take it again from the front. Free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You see another person.
We are hitting. alone. Let us leave us alone. We are dying. We are dying. Let us leave us alone. It is because of oil. It is because of water. We are living our life.
Look at Onajite.
We are living our life.
Onajite is here with me.
Biafra child!
Yeah.
All hail Biafra! All hail Biafra!
All hail Biafra!
All hail Biafra!
All hail Biafra!
They are killing our sister. They deliver our mother. They repeat them in the farm.
If you have forgotten,
Let us have peace.
this is Murphy. That is my brother. That is my brother Murphy. You know.
Let us leave us alone to have peace. Leave us alone. We cannot be controlled by it. We cannot be controlled by it. Leave us alone. Leave us alone. We cannot die.
Hello, my people. We are here live today in Berlin, in the city of Berlin. We are protesting against the adoption of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu with the Kenya government. And today we are in the right in front of British Embassy protesting against what the Nigerian people are doing against the indigenous people. And we can never stop. We can never stop. And they have to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for us. All those Kenyans that connive together or collude together to adopt our leader, it can never be accepted. They should release our leader for us, and that is what we're asking. Nothing about that. And Biafran referendum is no call for war. We are asking them to just give us referendum to know our fate, where we want to belong to. That is what we are asking for. We are not asking for war. Thank you very, very much, my brother. Let us move again. Are you seeing the crowd? Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? We are not lying about it. We are not lying about it. This is a British embassy. You can see it right here. We are telling them to tell Nigerian people to release our leader. Our leader is a British citizen. It has nothing to do with that Nigeria, and so they have to release it. We are here live, broadcasting from Berlin, the Biafran child watching. Thank you, my people. I want you people to pay attention about what the coordinator, or I think you want to say something. Just what you have to do is you to share the video and invite your friends to join us. Because on this quest of self-determination, we are not going to back up. We must keep on pushing. We must keep on pushing till Biafra is totally restored. The land of Chukwoki Kabiama. Everybody's here. All my brothers and sisters are here. We are here in solidarity of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I am here live. I am here live. Thank you. Please. They should leave us alone. Wow, wow, wow. You can't see, you can't believe your eye. You can't believe what I'm seeing. I know from one thing to okay. Let me go front. Let me go front so I can be able to capture the view. Hey, the Biafran child. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Are you listening? Wow. Can you see that? Can you just see that? Can you see that we love Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Can you see that? We don't lie about it because our leader first loves us. That is why we are showing him so much love. Just pay attention and share the video. Invite your friends to come along and see what we are doing. Yes? Are you listening?
There is no way that they can hold him.
Let's listen to that voice. Let's listen to that voice. You see, police officers, they are not doing nothing to us. They are our friends. Okay? All hail Biafra. Listen to this voice. All hail Biafra.
Please keep 1.5 meters distance so that they will not cancel our protest. Please. We are Biafra. We are not just any other Africans. We are disciplined. We are disciplined. Please. Spread your hand. Just spread your hand. Like that we can get the 1.5 meter distance. Please. Hold your brother. Give your brother a hand. Spread your hand. Spread your hand, please.
Oh my God.
We are Biafran and we are disciplined.
Oh my God.
Spread yourself, please.
Oh my God.
Spread yourself.
Oh my God. Share the video. Share the video.
Command and control.
Share the
Spread
video.
your hand. 1.5 meter distance.
The Biafran sharing watching a case
Let us
live.
show them that democracy started in Biafra land.
He said, oh, to accord now.
Let them demonstrate that we know what democracy is. Keep 1.5 meter distance, please.
Pay attention to this
Keep
voice.
1.5 meter distance. Spread your hand.
Spread your hands and see how large. When you stand like a
Spread
soldier,
yourself.
you see how large they
We are
are.
not spread enough.
We are not lying about it. They should release our leader, Mazi Nnamdi, Kanu. They should release him. Whether they like it or not, they must.
Let's show them we are Biafrans.
We are real
Let's show
Biafrans.
them that we are disciplined.
Okay,
Let's show them that democracy started in our country.
of course,
Our nation started democracy.
of course.
Let's demonstrate it for them to see. We know what we came here to do, and nothing will stop us.
Yes, sir.
We know what we came here to do, and nothing will stop us.
He said,
Our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu must be freed.
he said,
Yes. We are calling on the British ambassador in Berlin to send the message back to 10 Downing Street. Whatever Britain has to do with it, they have it. Nnamdi Kanu has a British passport. Is Britain not reacting because he's a black man?
Colonia.
Nnamdi Kanu has a British passport. We have international law.
you see crowd? You see crowd? All hail Biafra. You think we are lying? You think we are joking? You think that we just come here to come and look at you people? Are you listening? Yes.
We have to send that message down back to Boris Johnson. Back to 10 Downing Street. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is innocent and he is sitting in government in Nigerian prison. The Fulani government has kidnapped him. The Nigerian Fulani terrorists kidnapped him. We are calling on British government to stand up for the right of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu as a British citizen. It is unlawful and illegal to arrest a British citizen, to kidnap a British citizen, and deport him to Nigeria without any trial. Without any trial. All international law was broken in this process, and Britain is keeping silence. Britain, this Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a white person. Will you people keep silent? If Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a white person, will Britain keep silent? We are calling on British ambassador to Germany.
Always be peace.
Space, so that
Oh,
Biafra,
Biafra, IPOB,
one family,
IPOB,
one family,
one family,
IPOB,
one family.
IPOB.
Umuchineke, please keep 1.5 meters distance. It is not a joke. We cannot allow devil to disrupt what we are doing. Please keep the distance so that they will not disrupt what we came here to do today. We must get to our destination today, whether devil like it or not.
You know who is in Onachite is here.
All hail
Biafra.
Shame on Britain.
Shame on Britain.
Shame on Britain.
Shame, shame.
Shame on Boris Johnson.
Shame, shame.
Shame on Uhuru Kenyatta.
Shame, shame.
Shame on Britain.
Shame.
Shame on Britain.
Shame, shame.
Cry out for Biafras. Cry out for Biafra.
Cry hard for Biafra.
Cry out for Biafra.
Cry hard for Biafra.
Referendum for Biafra.
Referendum for Biafra.
Cry out for Biafra. Cry out for Biafra. Referendum for Biafra.
Referendum for Biafra.
Referendum for Biafra.
Referendum for Biafra.
Nnamdi Kanu must be free. The prisoner of conscience must be free. Britain, can you tell us the crime of Nnamdi Kanu?
We take over the streets.
What is the crime of Nnamdi Kanu? We are putting the word on notice. If anything happened to Nnamdi Kanu,
There will be a war!
IPOB today, we are peace-loving people. Are we a peace-loving movement?
Oh, yeah!
Are we a peace-loving movement?
Yeah!
Are we a peace-loving movement? IPOB is a peace-loving movement. We are putting the word on notice. We will not remain peaceful if our leader is sitting in jail. That we promise you. We will not remain peaceful if Nigerian government does not release Nnamdi Kanu. We are the biggest immigration community in the whole world. We are the biggest immigration community in the whole world. This is what we want Britain to know. This is what we want Kenya to know.
Yes.
This is what we want United Nations to know. This is what we want UN to know. This is what we want EU to know. We are the biggest immigration community in the whole world. We have the power. We have the power. They should not underestimate Biafra. We can never allow our leader to die in prison.
Of course.
Our leader will not die in prison. We are going to do everything possible to make sure that he's free. Oh, hey!
Biafra.
All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra.
Please, we have space. We have space behind. They are closed streets for us. Let's make use of the space. Please, let us enjoy this space. Please.
They close the street for us. They close the street for us. You want to see it? Let me show you.
We have enough time to...
For avoidance of doubt. For avoidance of doubt, they close the street for us. See, more Biafrans are coming. Yeah, thank you, my brother. Thank you for loving the program. See, more Biafrans are coming. This is to show you the street was closed. This street was closed for Biafran people. Let me go and show you the other side of the road too. You will know everything closed. Thank you, my brother. For the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. We are doing it for the indigenous people. Let me show you the other road. This is the first one that I show you. You see how I move the camera? Cement. You know, say the one where I show una before. Police know they there. Una they see there, they got the second road. Okay, make a zoom and small, make una see a more. Thomas, I know say una they doubt. But una they see the police that they close the second road. Okay, let me go to other side again, then you will see that we are not lying. Thank you, my brother. How you doing? I'm doing fine.
See, you took go now.
I forgot.
I'm meeting at the job.
Okay, see this one, why I tell you say police day. See another one here. They say, am I lying to you? Or hey, Biafra? You see now. See another the four corner of the road, the other side again. We are not lying. See Biafrans. This is Biafrans. This is Biafrans. We fool everywhere. I'm looking for a brother. I'm looking for a brother. I want to show you people that brother. What they want you? I have run Nnamdi Kanu. Yaki what they want you? Iwe. Hey, what they want you? I have run you. Yaka is the Iwe.
The British government should know. The British government should know that we, the indigenous people of Biafra, we are not going to remain peaceful forever. We have given you enough time. We have given you enough opportunity to rewrite the evil you write in the lives of Biafrans. Written very soon, this agitation will be against the Biafrans and the British citizens anywhere we saw them in this world. Britain, do the needful right now before it's too late. That is just my message to you bastards.
Thank you.
Yes, I'm going to protect them as well. We are here to protest the illegal incarceration of our leader, Mazi. Okay. We are calling on the British government to call on the police immediately. The majority is too much, the situation is too much, and it's too much. We can't afford to get it. Please. We are calling on international community to come and aid us, to come and listen to our plight, to restore Biafra. That is the only thing we have. That's the only hope common man has.
There is no peace for any Biafran.
Protesting, especially for now. But the time shall come when we turn to violence, and when we turn violence, that country will not contain us. We are peaceful for now. So let this message go to them.
They shall never have peace. If you take us to come and camp here once every week, we are ready to do that. We have no guns.
No peace.
We have no bombs. What we have is the microphone. Our leader gave us. The same thing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu used to crumble contraption called Nigeria. When we come with it every day here and torment you until you do justice to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Is British keeping silent because he's a black man? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has British passport. How can somebody traveling with British passport be kidnapped in international community, abducted and deported? Nnamdi Kanu is a British citizen. Migration to Britain. If it is a white Britain, if a white British citizen is kidnapped, what will you people do? If Mazi Nnamdi Kanu happens to be a white British citizen, Will Britain keep silent? If Mazi Nnamdi Kanu or Hamadika one of Biafra, if he happens to be a white British citizen, will Britain keep silent? No! We are calling a British ambassador in Berlin. Send this message down to 10 Downing Street. Tell Boris Johnson to do his duty. Tell him to give Nnamdi Kanu the chance that we get every British citizen. We all know that when a British citizen is illegally arrested somewhere or illegally abducted somewhere, British is ready to send their jet fighters. British is ready to send their warships. British is ready to send their
Anajide, I want to ask you, you already know who is him. I have some little problem from my voice. While you're here.
Okay. I am here. This is Nnamdi Ego, a constant Biafra, and Izo and Urobo Biafra. I am here to demand the freedom of my leader. My leader must be free without any condition. He was kidnapped. My leader must be free. I must help Biafra.
Yes.
Freedom, you must stop your evil against our people. They must free Biafra.
No, just a few justice. Biafra. You see, I want you to look at this. I want you to look at him. If this man is living in Nigeria by now, they have already kidnapped him. They will do all manners of evil to him. But just look at what he's putting on, a full military uniform. And he said, a free citizen of Biafra. A full citizen of Biafra. You see it? And that is police over there. That is police. Biafra.
IPOB.
One family.
I cannot hear you. IPOB.
One family.
I cannot hear you. You guys are not loud at all. IPOB.
One family.
One family.
IPOB.
Please, attention, very important.
What's up,
they just told our national coordinator that they will break this demonstration.
You already know.
If we continue to disrespect the COVID-19 regulation, meaning 1 meter distance.
Thank you, my brother.
To each other. Please, can you people spread your hands?
We go still talk. Before you go, we go still talk.
Put your mask on. Press your hand and put your mask on.
Can you see? This is another attire. A full fitted soldier.
I cannot hear you. People are distracted here. These are not the front. Who are these people? IPOB.
One family.
IPOB.
One family.
One family.
IPOB.
One family.
IPOB.
Biafrans are disciplined. That is how they know us everywhere in this world. We are disciplined. Please demonstrate the leadership that is bestowed on you. Show that you are disciplined and keep 1.5 meters distance. Yes. I beg every one of you in the name of Chukwu Okeabiama, let us shame the devil. Show that you are Biafran. Keep 1.5 meters distance so that the devil will not laugh at us. We came here to do something very important and we must make sure we get to motion. Our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu must be free. Those holding him must know that we are putting pressure. So please don't let 1.5 meter distance spoil what we came here to do.
Biafra, we are doing. As the order has been given, see, we are so intelligent.
Their members here and call them to order. Please, every zonal coordinators invite their members here and call them to order.
That is it.
People want to. We have someone who feel and this thing is really dangerous. They will cancel your video.
You see them, they are also here with us.
This is a human right. We are here for demonstration. I just back, please. I just back, please. I just back so that this is one. Please, I just back.
So much people love him. They love him.
Let's obey for this period of time. Let's spread out, please. Let's spread out, please.
Wider! Wider! Wider!
Let me remind them. Okay.
Thank you.
Let's show the example by leading. Because that's why we are playing to lead the whole Africa.
Let one person die here. We see it all over the whole news.
Let's show the example that we are not like the rescue of people in the zoo. Let's show the example that we are not the zoo animals, that we are Biafrans. We are all motivated. IPOB! We have to let those people know that we are boring. And we start with the traditional education. Nzabu, Nzabu, Eyimba, Nzabu, Eyimba, Nzabu, Nzabu, Eyimba, Nzabu, Eyimba. And then hear the leg on the ground. Nzabu, Nzabu, Eyimba. I cannot hear the leg. Let me hear the sound of your leg. Nzabu, Eyimba, Nzabu, 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 Eyimba. I cannot hear the sound.
My friend, let us say one place. People are looking for his
Please, we want to send a message. We want to send a stronger message than the Zulus did. We want to send a better message than the Palestinians. When we start singing, this is a very important song that sent a message of our mood. So I would like to hear the sound of everybody leg. I would like to, when we start singing this music, in order for this place to shake, I would like to hear the sound of everyone, every that is here, the sound of your feet on the ground. They have to, I want them to have the feeling that we are 10,000 here, for Christ's sake. Nzabu, 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 Small it. Anybody that is not participating in the program we are doing, sending this message. Chukwu Stadium and we visit that person in the night. I promise you. I'll hand over to our brother here.
All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra.
Chineke, I'm here. I beg all of you, majority of you,
Nami, we are having an issue here. And you know, the Berlin police have always been so friendly to us.
Yes. Yeah, we know.
But what is happening today here? 1.5 meters. Very simple.
Very simple. Why not?
Please. Excuse me? Today we are looking at trouble. 1.5 meter distance. That is corona rule. That is corona rule. Please, and please again, don't forget what our leader told us. We must always obey instructions. We must. And please, tell your neighbor 1.5. God bless you.
I'm here. You are the police. We want to burn this Elizabeth fucking place down. She's a terrorist. She's terrorist. The founder of terrorists. She go to each country. Then
please start getting prepared.
Destroy the country. Elizabeth,
start getting prepared for your speech. And please let us know. But before we continue, may I punctuate you by saying to the United Kingdom that in 1965, I was 5 years old. And Britain tried killing me. I was among those little kids with such blown sick stomach. I survived, but 2 million little kids of Biafra origin died. Today I'm 55. You know the worst thing? Britain is still chasing me, holding my neck, about to lynch me, killing Biafrans on daily basis because of crude oil. Britain, we have come here to beg you today, and we mean it. Come and take the crude oil and give us our freedom. That's all we want. You gave us Christianity, we accepted it. Then you turned around and went to other religions and support them killing us? I have some questions for you, Britain. Why, even if you're a mosquito, why do you like the blood of Biafran children?
Why?
I wish you would come up and answer this question. Do you know the worst part of it?
No. Why are you so confused?
British women, one of them is called Catherine Lamb. She is the British ambassador to Nigeria. And I'm talking to her because she's a woman. How could a woman feel happy watching other women's children being killed on a daily basis and still give praise?
Because she doesn't have space. 1.5.
I have more to say, but I will give other people time to put up their own speech. But before I stop, Britain is not innocent.
It's not innocent.
Britain, you are not innocent. Stop killing Biafrans. Take the crude oil and give us our freedom. Biafra!
Freedom!
Freedom!
Biafra! Biafra! Biafra!
Don't forget.
1.5 meters.
Don't forget.
Don't forget.
Kanu.
You know him? No.
I have the person of Biafra Tv here with me. Biafra Tv, can you please quickly pass the message to Biafrans?
Hey, great Biafrans, we are here today. Okay, we are here today in solidarity of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the adoption and the kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. As you can see the crowd, we have a lot of crowd here, 10,000 men. And you know, my voice has been going down because I've been speaking so much. I'm sorry, my people.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, my brother.
Thank you very much. This is Biafran Child.
This is the Biafran Child, my brother.
Thank you very much.
Peace up.
As you can see, Biafrans are very angry.
Of course.
None of them is smiling this very morning.
Of course.
And they are before the British Embassy. They are before the British Embassy, the British Congress.
Biafra.
They are not here.
Biafra.
The national coordinator wants to tell us something. Please, audience. Please. Audience. Please, silence. I want to hand the microphone to our national coordinator.
2 meters, please.
All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra. IPOB.
The secret.
IPOB. One family. IPOB. Biafrans, we have just handed over our petition letter to the British Embassy. I asked them to come and address us, but they said they cannot address us.
Why?
For the fact that most of their staff are on holiday now. But we have delivered our letter, and that is the most important thing. They've gotten our message. We told them that we are human beings too. The British government should treat us like human beings, and our leader must be human. And that's what we just told them. So, and we're going to take up now. We're going to march. Yeah.
What are you saying in the face of angry!
It is very, very, very clearly written on the face of Biafrans that we're not happy. Our leader represents 70 million Biafrans.
Yes, of course.
He's been held in the zoo.
Captivity. Ndioshi. Hey, thank you, my brother. Thank you. I'm here live.
And when we leave here, we are going to Nigeria.
Of course.
Biafra land and go kill all the British.
But they could not believe it.
They won't come back alive.
We are coming.
Let them hear from us.
You know, sometimes.
Kill all of them. They will all die.
Yes.
We are ready for them.
You know, sometimes they think that we are joking.
No.
You know, the calibers of men.
We kill all of you. All of you.
The calibers of men that we have here, there are many people. We are resolute always and formidable. Great Biafras.
I even want the police to arrest us, to not put us in prison.
Better police to arrest us.
There are no police here to arrest people. We have stop. No, stop it. They will take us inside this van and bring us to prison today.
Are you listening?
Yes. They will take us with this van today. It's either right. This is out of village line, or they're not going to this place. They are crazy. That's forget about this thing. No. Don't make any diplomat.
Please. So
there's no diplomatic issue. We want to go inside the embassy. We want to go inside the embassy. Let me tell you something.
Please show discipline. Please show discipline. When I have that, please, we are coming back here. Please show that you are disciplined. Umuchineke, IPOB.
One family. IPOB.
Please keep distance. When I have distance. We are Biafrans,
Fighting for our freedom. In the name of Chukwu, we shall conquer. We are Biafra, fighting for our freedom. In the name of Chukwu, we shall conquer. They never see nothing.
Fighting for our freedom. In the name of Chukwu, we shall conquer.
We are Biafra, fighting for our freedom. In the name of Chukwu, we shall come.
We are marching towards Kanu Embassy, please. Command and control, please. Show how disciplined you are, please.
We are disciplined.
No, wait, we are coming back here. Please, we are marching towards Kanu Embassy.
Because they said
Please, we are marching this way. Please. Please, can you people say that we are Biafrans? Are you people from the zoo? No. Then let's show that we are Biafrans. We are marching this way. We are
what we need is Biafra referendum. Free Nnamdi Kanu from DSS custody.
Thank you.
Free Nnamdi Kanu from Nigerian prison.
Thank you.
British, free Nnamdi Kanu.
Yes.
Nigeria, free Nnamdi Kanu.
Yes.
Kenya government, free Nnamdi Kanu.
You say?
What we need is Biafra referendum. Self-determination is not a crime.
And it's not a war.
It's not a war. A call for referendum is not a call for war. Self-determination is not a crime.
Thank you, my brother.
Nigeria has expired.
Of course.
Nigeria, the zoo had expired.
Now so.
Look at creation has expired.
Now so.
All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra.
Biafra or we die getting Biafra.
Of course.
We are the real people of Africa.
No retreat. Thank you, my brother.
Nnamdi Kanu.
Now.
All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra. Thank you, my brother. Yeah, egwu eji aja agha. Biafra, Biafra, ikpere na Biafra, enara m ofe aga gelo. Enara m ofe aga gelo. We are here live in Berlin. Thank you. We are marching. 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 Adomina, Adomina, Adomina. Let me capture this from the front.
Okay.
I think I have to capture it from front so that you will see. Adomina, Adomina, I am hungry, I am hungry. Let your voice. Adomina, 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 Adomina,
IPOB, one family. This is Biafra people.
Yeah.
This is the IPOB, led by Nnamdi Kanu. We are live and direct in Germany. We are protesting. Give our liberty. We need freedom of Nnamdi Kanu.
All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. Ada Biafra. Ada Biafra. Ayana Ludo. Ayana go.
Slowly or slowly?
Yeah, slowly and steady. Let me capture you so good. See crowd. 10,000 march. We are not lying about it. You see? You see, in British Embassy, we are live. See crowd. Do you see crowd? You think that we are joking? Okay, you think that we are joking before? Or are they teaching with a joke? Okay, now.
Why yo?
The Biafran child watching like you see live in Berlin, in front of British Embassy. We are protesting against the adoption and the kidnap of the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi, Nnamdi. Tell Nigerians to release him. Kenyans. We don't have talk now. We don't get talk now, Kenyans. We go show now. When I say on our own, on our go frantic. You think that with the lie? On our own, on my mind. Let's finish with British people, okay? But they have to free the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. I am the Biafra child watching like a Mazi. I fear no any bagger. Who are you? Go punish your family. Sabo, come on, you are. Come on, you are. No bigger than mama. Keifana, Koifa. Great Biafrans. You see crowd? We are not joking about it. We are not joking about it. Let me take it from back again. Let me take it from back. Then you see. Let me capture the side. Let me capture the side. Can you see them? We are live in Berlin. We are live in Berlin. The Biafran child watching is live in Berlin. We are protesting against the adoption of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We are saying they should free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We say that they should free our leader because our leader is not a Nigerian citizen. The Kenyans, we don't have so much thing, but we will also tell you people, but because we don't know how whatever they have given to you people to sold our leader out. But then we are coming. This is the indigenous people. Yes, my people, Ikenna, we are here live in Berlin. Thank you. I salute you too, my brother. I just want you people to share the video so that it will get to our enemies, so that they will know that we are not lying. We are always formidable. This is first badge there in the front right now. You can see it. We are not lying about it. I am not lying about it. And then you can see it. This is, people are many. People are many. We are too much. We are too much. We are many. We are. This is real 10,000 man march. We are here live. Great people, different badges. You see. You see police down there. Police are also escorting. Police are also escorting us. Biafra. This is Biafra. I salute you. We, man, great Biafrans. 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 We are in a large numbers. Believe me, no retreat, no surrender. As you can see them, they are calibers of men. We have first barge in the front. We have also second barge at the back here. We are here today in Berlin. Thank you, my people. Thank you, my brother. Great Biafrans. Almost Hebia. Oh, Biafra. Nnamo Ishia. Otu akesi emia. Otu akesi emia. Onye ọ na-ewi woje ku isi okwute. Ebe na koiba. Ebe na koiba. Rapu kwa faka haga nwolo. Almost Biafra. Almost Biafra. I am here live. The Biafran child watching again. We don't lie about it. We don't joke about it. We are here live in Berlin. against the adoption of our leader, against the adoption of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. British people should release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I don't know.
Nnamdi Kanu is not a terrorist. I am not a terrorist.
Of course.
A terrorist cannot walk the streets of Germany. No,
that's all.
I'm not a terrorist. We have to free our leader.
Yes.
A call for referendum is not a call for
war.
It is our legitimate right. Britain have that right too. Free Nnamdi Kanu.
It's also in UN Charter.
Kanu is not a terrorist.
Of course it's not.
We are not a terrorist.
Child play. This is not the child play. When I think say na child play, and I don't know anything. See people now, see men now, see people, man, see people, man, and some of you.
Nnamdi Kanu. We don't get joy. Free Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu is our leader.
Share.
Nnamdi Kanu is our leader.
Share. You know, sometimes people think that we are joking. People think that we are just here to do, and some of you are yapping. Some of you are yapping. Some of you are yapping. Some of you are yapping there. See you people. Oh, the Biafran child watching again. Thank you. Thank you. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is our leader. Who is your leader?
Oh, the Biafran child.
Oh, it's Biafran. Who is your leader? Who is your leader? Who is your leader? Thank you, my brother. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. Oh, my brother. How are you?
Ladies and gentlemen, we are here.
You already know he's a prof. He's a prof.
We are here to let the world know immediate release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
Yeah.
And we are not joking. Our cause is real. Our freedom is real. This is just a message. Thank you very much.
Thank you. You already know who he is. He's a prof. We are here but now you will see the mega flag of Biafra. We are not joking about it. We are always tell people we are formidable, we are resolute. Biafra must come in our time, and they must release the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Oh, the Biafran child. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. We are formidable. We are resolute. Great people of Biafra. Great people of Biafra. Biafra or nothing. Biafra or nothing. Biafra or nothing. Yeah, see our beautiful little girls. Yeah, the future of Biafra, the future of Biafra. Yeah, sure. You don't know, now you know. If you never know, now you just the getter. You just the getter. No. I know they lie for you now. It is how they lie. See people, see soldiers, see that Bugatti. See here.
He's a dead man.
He's a dead man.
Where is your dead man walking?
Dead man walking. Thank you.
They must give us Biafra.
They must.
I will spoil everything.
Yes, now. Hi. Oh, see man. Let me begin to capture them. Let them be going. Let me begin to capture them. Let me begin to capture them from the back. Of course. You see me now?
No. They think that this is 1960.
You see what I'm saying?
It's darkness of Dutch.
No.
It's darkness of Dutch.
You see?
Polizei, ich will das hier nicht verstehen.
Ja.
Ihr sollt eure Regierung sagen, wenn ihr eure Region, Nigeria,
der hat recht. Der hat recht.
Wenn die Leute, wenn Angela Merkel, Nigeria Government helfen, unsere Leute einfach zu töten.
100% ist genau.
In Deutschland
genau so.
Keine Peace geben.
Genau so.
Ich sage das auf Deutsch. Du kannst mich verhaften, aber die ganze Welt muss wissen, wenn du bombs and gun and ammunition give to the Nigerian government to kill innocent people, then in Germany here, there will not be peace.
Peace out, my people, great people of Biafra. We are resolute, we are formidable. And we can never stop this agitation of Biafra till we totally restore our land and our dignity. We always respect our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and we can never go back on this quest of. Thank you, my brother. Oh, must say Biafra. Oh, must say Biafra. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. By fire, by force. Is another savior. Holy. You know, say if they sing this kind of music, those enemies, be like say, I don't know, baby say they go. Thank you. I go hana holy. I don't know. They can thank you. You got to tell me where I'm telling you, oh no, what if I want to alone? Great people, we are so intelligent. Believe me, I don't lie about it. Great people. Great people. Holy, Mazi Kanu, Isa, Giano Kuisi Nampo, Giano Kuisi Nampo. Holy. You know him? I hope you know him. He's a great brother. Hey, thank you, my brother. How are you? This is also my comrade. You know him, eh? Hausa boy, eh? You know him. Hausa is here. Everybody's here. He thinks that with a joke. We are not joking about Biafra.
We are not here to amuse you.
Of course.
We are not here to amuse you.
Because why are you here, brother?
I am here because of the marginalization, more especially recently what is going on right now.
Yeah.
That they abduct our leader, great Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, for 8 good days.
Yeah.
And they subject it into some manner of treatment that they want to use that to suppress the coming of Biafra. But one thing that they don't know is this, that everybody is now pregnant of Biafra. Even a little child is pregnant of Biafra. It doesn't matter what they do. It doesn't matter any country that supports Nigeria not to disintegrate, including Shell of Germany sucking our oil, our resources. Nobody's going to stop us. Yeah. We are formidable. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has taught us a lot, and we have carried out his teaching. Right now, we are making sure that we stand with him on
against the adoption and all manners of evil. You know, they have been beating him. Exactly. They have been torturing him.
Exactly.
All manners of evil they have done to him. Exactly. You know, but we thank God that he's still alive. But what do you think they should release our leader for us, right?
Of course, they have no case against our leader.
Sure.
The 2015 arrest that they arrested him, and they bailed him in 2017. For that reason, they have seen that there's no way that they can be able to convey him or to join upon join. But then, what did they do?
Yeah.
They now try to bribe our great leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in a sense that to drop the agitation of Biafra. Now, the man said, no, you cannot bribe me. What we want is Biafra. Good. They now decide to kill him.
Yeah.
Now, on that case, it's a different thing. Another thing, if they want to think about that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in Nigeria, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has already destroyed his citizenship in 2012.
In total.
His birth certificate is a Biafra.
Of course.
He has a British.
They should Google it up.
They should Google it.
Yeah, sure.
That is why we are formidable.
And resolute.
The Nigerian government cannot, and they will never have anything. Our leader is coming out very soon.
Very soon.
Our leader is coming out very soon.
Soon.
The multitude of people that you see here.
They don't believe it. They think that we are lying to them. They think that let's move more forward so that they can be able to see it, so that they don't think
like
that we...
I'm telling them, in Nigeria, when you are protesting, police don't come to protect you.
Of course.
Rather, police kill you.
Yes.
Army kill you. DSS kill you. All manner of people. But here, behind us here...
It's a police. You will see them now.
Here is a police. And all across the street of Benin is a police trying to make sure that we have our safety protest. Be over there, you see police. And around the corner, somewhere here, you're going to see...
They are protecting us.
in case somebody falls and that person needs to be rushed to the hospital.
Yeah.
These are the things that Nigeria want to prevent us from having. And we say enough is enough.
Enough is enough.
Everybody here has been pregnanted by Biafra.
Yeah.
Our great Mazi Nnamdi has taught us a lot. And we are
we are fanatical about Biafra, right?
We are fanatical about
thank you.
Formidable.
Thank you. And resolute, always.
And resolute.
Thank you for being with me, my brother. You know, we will still talk. That would be private, okay?
Right.
Thank you for meeting you today, my brother. That is my first time for meeting my brother. And we are moving forward. Okay? We are moving forward. You will see men now. This one are the appetites. Now appetites you they see so. We are moving forward, you will see men. Great people of Biafra. We are resolute. You don't know before. You don't know before. I want to interview you a little bit. Yes. Yes. Yeah, I hope you people already know who is him. We are going to be moving and the thing will be going. I hope you people already know who is him. I want to ask you, Lolo. I hope I got your name good, right?
Elvis, yes.
Elvis,
yes.
I want to ask you the reason why you are here. I saw you before talking to police people. I don't know what you are discussing with them, but first and foremost, I want to ask you why you are here. Because people knows you well, you know?
I'm here today because
let's be moving forward.
We have to fight for what belongs to us. We are not asking for any other person's land. We are not asking for what doesn't belong to us.
Good.
We are asking for what belongs to us. We are asking for our fundamental human rights.
That is
and now, they kidnapped Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
And that is very, very bad.
They kidnapped Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and they expect us to be quiet.
We can't.
Going to happen.
It can never happen.
We can never be quiet.
Never.
Because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the mouthpiece of the whole Biafrans.
You're right.
So when you kidnap him, you have to make sure that you understand that an attack, a touch, a kidnap to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu
is an attack to all
Biafrans.
That is real.
So I have told the police.
No any missing words.
I told the police in their language.
Yeah.
I told them in their language, in German language. When you support Nigerian government, you give them bomb and ammunition to kill our people. You have to make sure that your own people here in Germany, they are going to perish as well.
This is it.
Because this is not 1960
or 90.
You will support Nigerian government, the Britain, everybody support Nigerian government to kill our people. This time around, when you kill our people, we will kill your people.
This is how it is. Thank you, my brother. Thank you, my brother. Thank you, my brother. I'm still moving forward. I'm still moving forward to get some comrades so they can be able to talk to Biafrans. Most of the time, all the time, I mean to say, we always tell people that and you are seeing a caliber of people that we have here. The caliber of people that we have here, and we know that on this journey that we are, we can never back up. That is one thing we are promising the zoo, and they have to get it into their skull, because we are not going to retreat. We are not going to surrender on this quest of self-determination of the Biafran people. We are peaceful people. We don't ask for war. Call for referendum is not calling for war. That is what we are trying to tell them. It's better we make it in peace, because we are so peaceful people. We don't need to kill blood. We don't like to share blood. We are not Fulanese people. That is what we are trying to tell our people, for them to understand that we are not going to go back. They can never take over our land. They can never take over our land. That is what we are trying to tell them. And they have to get it right and clear that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have to be released through the adoption and kidnap. They have kidnapped him, but we are here to tell the world. We are in front of our British embassy here in Berlin, in Germany, and now we are marching on the street to tell the world, because the world is listening. All our viewers are listening. We are trying, and yes, I'm having some issue of the noise. I think I have to go the other side of the road. Yes. You are watching live. What you are watching is live. Okay? This is live. We are here protecting today because of the adoption of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That is the reason why we are here today. You see? They are preaching them about Biafra.
Caliphate war against the children of God. That Jamal gave us food. And that is why I'm alive today. Because I'm a child of God. I'm a child of war. I'm a child of God. And the problem is...
You see it? He's preaching him the gospel of redemption. He's preaching him the gospel of redemption. The gospel of Shukwo Kikabiama. That is what our brethren is teaching and preaching to the foreigner, so that he will know that Biafra is here, and we are not joking about it. You see people. You see people. You see the men. Oh my God. Oh my God. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, your people loves you. We are standing with you. Anywhere you are. I want this 100,000 men march today to get to our leader. Anywhere he is. Barrister Ejiofor, I am calling you to let our leader understand. I also calling you, Samuel Eba, you know, you have to also show the world this thing that we are doing right now, because we are not joking about it. We are not joking about it. I am here representing Biafran, the Biafran child in Washington life. I am here live in Berlin. So we have to tell the world that we are resolute. We are formidable. Whenever order given to us, that is exactly what we're going to carry. Thank you, my people, as we proceed. See the first batch there. They are moving so fast. And the second one, and the third one. This is third batch. We are moving to the, also getting to the fourth batch. They are coming. Hey, Idudu. My brother, I greet you. That is Idudu. Idudu is here live. Onajite is here live. Dave Elvis is here live. Murphy is here live. Who else? I saw a lot of people. This is the fourth batch have gone. Now is coming the fifth batch. That is last batch they are coming. Fifth and last batch. Ogboja Gbodomoja. Woja. Gbafoku. Odogu. Anumanu ifi de kunanti eshiramu. Nkiri ka na ekiri ododo eni ozu. Anumanu Ogboja na efishi onu. Dike aye nlezi aye Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Ife ku ka na eme. Odogu. Anumanu nti eshiramu. Otu a. Aye ji ife ọbụna achọ aye ji ya. Odogu. Otu a. We are blessed people. We are blessed people. That is why we have everything in our land. And we're going to proceed. Let's proceed. Let's go. Let's move. Onwadi hena emenu. Ogboja na efishi onu nwanne. Mana ejula m ego nwanne. Ebe a na-ekwu okwu ka a na-ekwu eziokwu. Ịghọtago? Anyị bụ nwanne. Ọsọ na ife solo unu na-ekwu odi. Just a joke, my people. We are moving forward. They have some people are cornering. I want you to see how man, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you are a great man. Let me move more forward so that you can see, you know.
Oh, Biafra child.
Yeah, oh, Biafra child. Oh, Biafra. Oh, I see for Thank you, my brother. Thank you. We are moving forward. Just share the video. Oh, nakwa King Kong, amma be kan video King Kong. Onye nke atagizira ayon takalizie mu ka ebe a na-agọ ebe. Onye nke atara ayon takalia ma onye ta ayon mana onye ta ayon takalia ikwu eziokwu. Ọ tara nke ebe a na-agọ ebe. Itie aka ọpịa onye ọpịa fụla n'ọgbọ 10 ada ka ebe a na-agọ ebe. Unu ọ dịkwa na chọrọ ịfụ the person na-ekwu okwu ebe. Unu need ịfụ onye na-ekwu ebe. Onye tara ayon kalia ikwu eziokwu ana m atụ asị. Iron Man. They want to see Iron Man. One blow to Fulani 10 will die. No, not think about it. You see, now. I mean, you think that with a lie. Great people. Thank you, my people. I'm going to be ending the video. I'm getting my battery is getting too off. As you people just join us, I want you people all to share the video. I think I have covered the main event where we are in the front of our British embassy, telling them what is happening. If they never heard about it, we tell them we was there. We got inside to the house of embassy, in the embassy's house. They were saying that because of some of their officials, they are not around, that they cannot address us, but we have already sent our message to them. We have sent our letter to them, what is happening, to in case if they never heard about it. And now I'm covering the last view of this moment of today in Berlin. I am the Biafran Shadi watching Mazi Okechukwu. We are here live. Thank you, my people, and share the video. Thank you. Bye.